Ever feel like you're wasting half your day just breaking loose rusty bolts or cramming a wrench into an engine bay that's way too tight? Hand tools take forever, and your knuckles are tired of taking a beating. That's why I tested the top cordless ratchet wrenches on Amazon to find the ones that give you speed, power, and access in one compact package. From heavy-duty torque monsters to ultra-compact drivers, these electric ratchets are total game changers for your toolbox. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. First up, for those who want maximum power without spending a fortune, we have the KIMO 20-volt cordless ratchet wrench. This 3/8-inch drive beast delivers an impressive 89 foot-pounds of torque, which is almost unheard of at this price point, and it spins at a fast 400 revolutions per minute. That means you have the muscle to break loose stubborn, rusted nuts and the speed to zip them off in seconds. The kit is incredibly complete. You get two 2.0 amp-hour batteries, so you can keep one on the charger while you work with the other, plus a fast charger that gets you back up and running quickly. The variable speed trigger gives you total control for delicate work, and unlike many budget kits, this one includes 7 sockets, a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter for smaller fasteners, and a 3-inch extension bar for reaching deep into tight spots. If you need serious, reliable performance on everything from lawnmower decks to truck suspension components, the KIMO is a phenomenal choice that delivers professional results for a DIY-friendly budget. Now, let us talk about incredible value and lightweight precision with the AVID Power Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. This 12-volt 3/8-inch model is perfect for those long days working on motorcycles, ATVs, lawn equipment, or tight automotive interiors, where a bulky 20-volt tool simply will not fit. It delivers a solid 44.2 foot-pounds of torque, which is plenty for most assembly and disassembly tasks like valve covers, intake manifolds, or interior trim. What makes this kit so special is the battery system. You get two 2.0 amp-hour batteries that fully recharge in just 1 hour, meaning virtually zero downtime. The variable speed trigger allows you to start fasteners slowly to avoid cross-threading, then squeeze harder for full speed. The kit also includes 10 sockets, which is more than most competitors at this size. If you want a tool that feels balanced in your hand, won't fatigue your wrist after an hour of use, and fits into impossible tight spaces, the AVID Power is an excellent and reliable choice. If you hate the feeling of your ratchet stalling out right when you need that final turn, you are going to love the 21-volt electric ratchet wrench set. This extended reach cordless ratchet gives you 60 foot-pounds of torque at 400 revolutions per minute. But the real star here is the extended head design. The head is noticeably longer than standard ratchets, which allows you to reach deep into engine bays, behind dashboards, or inside wheel wells without needing a stack of wobble extensions. It runs on two 2.0 amp-hour batteries and includes 7 sockets, a 1/4 inch adapter for smaller work, and a 3-inch extension bar for even more reach. It is the definition of a smart, practical tool that removes the small but frequent annoyance of not having enough access. Whether you are changing spark plugs on a tight V6 or removing bolts from a deep transmission pan, this extended ratchet makes your job noticeably smoother and faster. For the mechanic who loves massive value and hates stopping to search for the right socket, the AOBEN Cordless Ratchet Wrench Kit is a fantastic high-capacity option. While it delivers a practical 40 foot-pounds of torque on its 3/8-inch drive, the headline feature here is simply unbelievable. You get the electric ratchet, two 2,000 milliamp-hour lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a variable speed trigger. But it also comes with a mind-blowing 83 sockets included in the box. Yes, you heard that right, 83 pieces. That means you have a size for literally every fastener in your garage, from tiny electronic screws to larger automotive nuts. This is the set you grab when you do not want to dig through 3 different toolboxes just to find one size. It is not overly complex, but it is incredibly reliable for handling a huge variety of jobs. For the sheer amount of functionality you get here at this price, The AOBEN makes weekend DIY projects an absolute breeze. Now, what if you want the gold standard brand that you already trust for your drills and impact drivers? Enter the DEWALT Atomic 20-volt max cordless ratchet. This is the compact 3/8-inch brushless model designed specifically for tight access and maximum runtime. The brushless motor runs cooler and longer, giving you efficient power without draining your batteries as quickly. This is listed as a bare tool, which is perfect for those who already own DEWALT 20-volt batteries from other tools. It literally fits in the palm of your hand, making it one of the smallest ratchets on this list. And it is built like a tiny tank to survive a drop off a truck bumper or a workbench. If toolbox space is precious, and you want a name that guarantees service centers and durability, the DEWALT Atomic is the ultimate compact solution. Finally, we reach the heavy-duty king for the professional shop. I'm talking about the DEWALT 20-volt Max XR cordless ratchet. The XR line is DEWALT's premium extended runtime platform. And this specific model comes with both a 3/8-inch head and a 1/2-inch sealed head ratchet. The sealed head is a huge deal because it keeps out dust, dirt, metal shavings, and grease that kill other electric ratchets over time. You get the precision of the 3/8 drive for delicate engine work and interior assemblies, plus the raw torque capability of the 1/2-inch drive for heavy suspension jobs, brake calipers, and large truck fasteners, all powered by the same tool body. DEWALT's build quality on the XR platform is truly exceptional, designed to last for years of daily abuse. If you view working on cars as a craft, or if you simply hate buying the same tool twice, the DEWALT XR combo is a worthy investment. That will be the cornerstone of your garage for a very long time. From the high-torque KIMO to the ultra-compact AVID power, the extended reach 21-volt set, the socket-heavy AOBEN, and the professional-grade DEWALT lineup, there is a perfect cordless ratchet here for every type of mechanic. Think about what frustrates you most in your garage. Is it the lack of torque, the battery life, or just the sheer physical effort of hand tools? One of these machines is the solution. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Trust me, your knuckles and your back will thank you. Thanks for watching and happy wrenching.